Hey everyone, trying to pick the best SEO tool for 2025? Today we're comparing SEMrush and Ahrefs to help you decide which one's right for you. Let's break it down in just 2 minutes. SEMrush is an all-in-one marketing tool. It's great for SEO, but it also helps with things like paid ads, social media, and content planning. You can research keywords, check your website's ranking, analyze competitors, and even audit your site to fix issues. It's like a Swiss Army knife for digital marketing. Ahrefs is super focused SEO tool. It shines at backlink analysis, finding out who's linking to your site or your competitors. It also has awesome keyword research, site audits, and rank tracking. If you're all about links and organic search, Ahrefs is a powerhouse. So how do they stack up? Backlink analysis. Ahrefs wins here. It has a bigger and faster updated link database, perfect for link building. SEMrush is still good, but finds fewer links. Extras. SEMrush offers tools for ads, social media, and local SEO, which Ahrefs doesn't have. But Ahrefs has a cleaner, simpler design that's great for beginners. Which is better? If you want a tool for SEO and other marketing like ads or social media, go with SEMrush. It's more versatile. If you're focused on link building and organic SEO, Ahrefs is the better pick for its amazing backlink data and easy interface. That's it. Pick the one that fits your goals. Thanks for watching and happy optimizing. Like and subscribe for more videos.